My name is Igbo Joan.
My name is Okwala.
Nurse versus Nurse Quiz Episode 2. Today's questions will come from body cavities, and a winner will go with 5,000 naira cash. Question number 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Question number 1. What is the largest body cavity?
Abdominal.
Abdominal cavity, that is correct. Number 2. What is the longest body cavity? Vertebral cavity, that is correct. Number 3. What cavity contains the brain?
Cranial.
Cranial cavity, that is correct. What cavity contains the spinal cord? Vertebral cavity, that is correct. How many bones form the vertebral column in adults?
It's 26.
26, that is correct. What bone forms the anterior boundary of the cranial cavity? Frontal bone, that is correct. The sternum is a component of what cavity? Thoracic cavity, that is correct. The spleen is a content of what cavity? Abdominal, that is correct. Name 2 cavities that contain the esophagus.
The thoracic and the abdominal.
Thoracic and abdominal, that is correct. What separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity? Diaphragm, that is correct. Which cavity is enclosed by the skull? Cranial, that is correct. The liver is located in which cavity? Abdominal, that is correct. The urinary bladder is found in which cavity? Pelvic cavity. What cavity is above the diaphragm? Thoracic cavity, that is correct. Which cavity contains reproductive organs? Pelvic cavity, that is correct. The muscles between the ribs are called intercostal muscles, that is correct. The pancreas is found in which cavity?
No, abdominal.
Abdominal cavity, that is correct. The abdominopelvic cavity is usually divided into dash regions. 9, that is correct. The abdominopelvic cavity is usually divided into dash quadrants. 4, that is correct. What quadrant is the stomach?
The stomach is the
Right upper quadrant.
No.
Right lower.
No.
Right,
Left upper.
Left upper here is here.
Left upper, yes.
Left upper quadrant. Left upper quadrant. What quadrant is the appendix?
And this is the left lower. Right lower. This is the left lower.
The
Lower
right
now.
upper. Is right lower
Appendix.
quadrant.
Right
upper.
lower
Right
quadrant. Right lower quadrant. That's the correct answer. The largest content of the abdominal cavity is
Liver.
liver. Congratulations.